What's up YouTube? Fit Chef here. Today we're gonna be making fajitas. Fajitas is one of my favorite Mexican dishes because it's delicious, it's easy to make, it's very expensive, it takes no time, and it's filled with nutrients. First we need some olive oil, black pepper, salt, cumin, some dried oregano, and some cayenne pepper. And mix. Bell pepper, onion, and some chili peppers. These are some hot ass fucking chili peppers. Olive oil in. Onions, chilies, and bell pepper. Pepper. Adding salt to your onion just helps take all that extra moisture out of the onions and helps it cook faster and better. On a separate frying pan, add your chicken. So now, as you can see, the vegetables, the onions and the bell pepper got this beautiful, nice caramelization going. And it's just about done. And the chicken's all juicy and done. So all you need to do right now is just add them to each other, right? And add the chicken to the vegetables, just like that. With all the extra juices and the oil. All that flavor, get all that flavor in. And just mix it all together. Just let it soak in all that flavor. Just add them together, mix them, and leave them for a couple of minutes, and it's done. You can serve your fajitas with rice, you can serve it in wraps, but if you're lazy as fuck like me, you can just eat it with plain bread and some sour cream, because it's too hot, it's too spicy, and sour cream just helps you with that heat. Now let's try. Not bad. Not bad at all. I'm gonna enjoy this dish. You enjoy yours. Please like and subscribe if you like the video. If you didn't like it, subscribe anyway. It's for free.